Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to talk about why it's not correct to say this.
Oh no, I'm not a vegetarian nor a vegan. Do it.
That's right, we cannot say I am not a vegetarian nor a vegan. In this case, we have to use or. I am not a vegetarian or a vegan. It is not correct to use nor in this structure. Why not? If you start your sentence with a negative, I'm not, I don't, he doesn't, or I didn't, we have to use or at the end of the sentence. Example, the weather is perfect. It's not hot or cold. I cannot say it's not hot nor cold. I have to use or in this sentence. It's not hot or cold. Example, I'm not hungry. I'm not thirsty. So I say I'm not hungry or thirsty. I cannot use nor in this sentence. I use or for negatives. I'm not hungry or thirsty. I'm fine. Let's practice. Are you a vegetarian or a vegan? That's right. I'm not a vegetarian or a vegan. Is it hot or cold outside? That's right. It's not hot or cold outside. The weather's perfect. Let's practice. Are you hungry or thirsty? That's right. I'm not hungry or thirsty. I'm fine. So, can you ever say nor? Sure, you can say nor. Example, I am neither a vegetarian nor a vegan. We can use nor together with neither. Example, I am neither hungry nor thirsty. It's neither hot nor cold. This is correct, but it's not very common. It sounds a little too formal. You might hear it sometimes, but it's more formal English. It's more common to use not. I'm not hungry or thirsty. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you want to become a member, click the join button, and we'll see you next time.